If I'm a so dress, you know, so I didn't stay long enough on my birthday. So I didn't dress for the occasion. Yeah, just come to show my respect to Singer J. And you know, say it's not all the while I do these things. But you don't know manners and respect to all ballad, all Rasta, all of the man they will love to put on it, all of the man they will like. You know what I mean? Anyway, you know I'm not going to stay long, so I'm just here to enjoy myself. Mr. Selector, you ready or not ready? Alright, let's go. Boy, boy, boy. Rum, bam, 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 bam. What do you say? Hit me. Put a big minute up. Put a big minute up. Rum, bam, bam. You kids don't worry yourself. All of the artists, them, as I say. I'm not staying long, so let me go again. Rum, bam. Let me minute up. Let me minute up. Let me minute up. Make sure I come tell them. Let me minute up. Let me minute up. Let me minute up. Make sure I come. Let me come in the act. Let me come in the act. Let me come in the act. Me come to roll up this man. Would me know who will land? Young me, young man. Green me, green man. Me just sound blast out. And you 2,000 years and not more. Come on. Me something to get me to be called. You know what I'm saying?
I own it.
That's me.
And this week from March 28th and I first year DJ, I boss.
Now this is actually going to mention towards the wheel. Who can't steal the wheel? Not feel the way. Whole time something from Acapella. All original yarn, you're Jamaican, say hello Jamaica. not here. I'm not here long. Right, there you go. First number one. Pull up. I was sitting around there. I am here from about 9 o'clock. Cause Singer J tell me say it's starting from 6. And don't have no permit, so I lock off 1. And the DJ they must start work at 11. And now it's to 1 and I'm still here. Way past my bedtime. But because I respect your birthday, I couldn't leave. Now this is my first number 1. And Singer J, as I walk in, the first thing he did was bring Jay, Ray, and his niece. No, we're not even nephew, his niece. To it. And say, have a drink. And I drink Ray, nephew, and all of those things. And I'm feeling good. And I cannot leave here tonight without I give you my first number 1. Please, man. All right. Make sure you stay here, man. Remember this? So 1 scotch, 1 beer. Where do you go from? Where do you go from? Did I have to tell you that? Run it again. All of the artists living in the house, you don't know. Rum bam 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 bam. Rum bam bam. Whoa. Say 1 scotch, 1 beer. Chip, chip. Say 1 scotch, 1 beer. Chip, chip. And they say, hey, John, the fancy big you listen here. Ain't got no money, ain't got no bus fare. Whether you're far or miss, or whether you're near, driving the car will make a show you can steer. So 1 scotch, 1 beer. So 1 scotch, 1 beer. Hey, you know what? I feel like dancing. Oh yeah. I feel like moving. Oh yeah. 54, 46. That's my number. Oh yeah. 54, 46. That's my number. Baby, don't worry, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Bang, 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 bang. Don't worry.
You know, everybody will turn out to that event here, from that date here. No, say anybody will cuss bad word on the stage. We have problem with them. But boy, tonight on my birthday, maybe make some of them put on this.